Hello friend, welcome to my scientific gardening channel. Okay, I want put my order.
Open the box. Remove components from the box. Install the support frame. Install the bracket for onto the piece of wood. Place the machine popcorn in the test stand. Then take the bag out and put it on the table. Take all the tools out of the box. Most important and indispensable is corn kernels, lighters, fuel oil, stoves, gloves, levers, plastic popcorn buckets, and disassembly kit. Let's start. Pour corn into a bowl. Take the stove and pour oil in. Place the stove in the wooden tray in the right position. Take out the device. Drop corn kernels into the machine. Install the armor and tighten the screws tightly. Set the stove on fire. Wear heat-resistant gloves. Rotate by hand. Rotate the machine 360 degrees. Rotate time 15 minutes. Pressure reaches 135 kilograms per mole. Pressure is very strong and the machine is very hot. Thank you for watching video. Wish you and your family good health. Always happy, smooth work. Always happy. Remember to like and follow and comment. Share the video for many people to know to help me. Equals greater than remember to turn on the notification bell. To see our feedback and our latest videos,